The Honda CR-V. For years, it's been the reliable choice for families, commuters, and anyone who wants a practical SUV that never lets them down. But this is not the CR-V you're used to. The 2026 Honda CR-V is a bold reinvention that doesn't just tweak the formula, it redefines it. This SUV is futuristic, minimalist, and premium in ways we've never seen from Honda before. At first glance, you'd be forgiven for thinking you were looking at a luxury concept car rather than a production-ready model. This is Honda's shot at reclaiming dominance in a segment filled with tough rivals like the Toyota RAV4, the Hyundai Tucson, the Mazda CX-50, and even premium offerings like the BMW X1 and the Lexus NX. But does the 2026 CR-V have what it takes to stand tall in this competitive landscape? Stick with me, because in this review we'll go through every detail, from its striking exterior design to the futuristic interior, the engine and hybrid systems, driving impressions, price, and release date. By the end, you'll know whether Honda has just reinvented an SUV icon for the next decade. Let's start right at the front, where Honda has thrown convention out the window. The first thing you notice is the illuminated Honda script sitting proudly in the center. For decades, we've known the brand by its iconic H badge, but now Honda has joined the growing trend of using bold lettering across the fascia. It feels upscale, almost European in presentation, and immediately elevates the CR-V's identity. The grille we once associated with Honda SUVs is completely gone, replaced by a seamless gloss black surface that looks futuristic and aerodynamic. The light bar stretches across the width of the vehicle. At each corner, the headlights cut into the body like sharp blades, their internal LED signatures giving the CR-V an aggressive, high-tech face. This lighting setup transforms the SUV at night into something that looks like it belongs in a cyberpunk cityscape. Lower down, the bumper introduces sharp cutouts and sculpted edges, with gloss black accents that keep the design premium without being flashy. The entire stance of the front end is commanding yet elegant, making it clear Honda wanted this generation to break away from the safe and conservative looks of the past.
Moving to the side, the CR-V takes on a far more premium and athletic silhouette than before. The roofline flows gently towards the rear, almost coupe-inspired, but not to the point of sacrificing space for rear passengers. The side profile is sleek and uncluttered, with a strong shoulder line that stretches from the headlights all the way to the taillights, giving the SUV a sense of continuity and strength. The wheel arches are subtle, yet muscular, filled with large multi-spoke alloy wheels finished in gloss black with diamond-cut detailing. These wheels look far more luxurious than what you'd expect in a mainstream SUV, reminding you again that Honda is aiming higher with this design language. The flush door handles contribute to the futuristic look while also improving aerodynamics. Blacked out mirror caps and window trims create a nice contrast against the sapphire blue body paint shown in the images, adding a modern, upscale touch. From the side, the 2026 CR-V doesn't just look like a family SUV, it looks like a stylish, urban-ready crossover that could easily compete with luxury brands. The rear continues this bold, futuristic theme. The most striking feature is the full-width LED taillight bar that stretches seamlessly across the back. Integrated into this light bar is another illuminated Honda script, giving the CR-V a unified design language from front to back. Below that, the CR-V badge sits in a subtle position, reminding us of the SUV's iconic nameplate without distracting from the sleek styling. The rear bumper is cleanly sculpted, with gloss black detailing and a diffuser-inspired design that adds a sporty edge. Instead of relying on chrome trim, Honda has gone with a minimalist, high-tech approach that feels much more in tune with today's design trends. The floating roof spoiler, complete with an integrated brake light, caps off the look and adds aerodynamic efficiency. Overall, the rear design gives the CR-V a futuristic elegance, ensuring it looks just as premium driving away as it does arriving.
Step inside the 2026 CR-V, and the transformation continues. Gone are the cluttered controls and old-school layouts of past generations. In their place is a cabin that feels clean, futuristic, and intuitive. The dashboard is minimalist, with a strong horizontal design that stretches across the cabin, enhanced by ambient LED lighting that runs along the length, glowing softly in low-light conditions. The materials used throughout the cabin elevate the CR-V into near-luxury territory. Soft-touch leather, brushed aluminum accents, and piano black trim pieces make the cabin feel far more expensive than you'd expect for this segment. The seats are supportive and finished in high-quality upholstery, while the rear cabin remains spacious, staying true to the CR-V's roots as a family-friendly SUV. Honda has made sure to keep practicality at the core of the CR-V, with a generous cargo area and clever storage solutions that make it as usable as ever. For higher trims, expect premium audio systems, likely from Bose or even Bang & Olufsen, to deliver crystal-clear sound. The cabin is also designed with improved noise isolation, creating a quieter and more refined experience, even at highway speeds. Under the hood, Honda continues its march toward electrification. The 2026 CR-V is expected to be offered primarily as a hybrid, combining a 2.0-liter Atkinson cycle engine with dual electric motors. This setup should deliver between 200 and 250 horsepower, providing smooth, efficient acceleration and excellent fuel economy. Honda's hybrid systems are known for their seamless transitions between electric and gasoline power, and this next-gen version is expected to be even smoother and more refined. There's also buzz about a fully electric CR-V arriving on Honda's new e-architecture platform. If this becomes reality, we could be looking at a range between 280 and 320 miles, with fast charging capabilities that allow for rapid top-ups on long journeys. This EV version would compete directly with vehicles like the Tesla Model Y, Hyundai Ioniq 5, and Toyota's upcoming electric crossovers. Driving dynamics should remain true to the CR-V's heritage: comfortable, stable, and easy to drive. But with this new generation, expect sharper steering, better suspension tuning for ride comfort, and enhanced cabin quietness thanks to active noise cancellation technology. Honda has designed this SUV to appeal to families and commuters, but with just enough sharpness to keep the driving experience engaging. Now, let's talk about what you'll pay for all this futuristic design and technology. The 2026 Honda CR-V is expected to start around $34,000 for the base hybrid model. Higher trims with more premium features should climb into the $42,000 to $45,000 range. If the fully electric version launches, it's likely to be positioned around $50,000 to $55,000, depending on the battery size and range options. As for when you can actually buy one, the 2026 Honda CR-V is expected to hit showrooms in late 2025. North America will likely see it first, followed by global markets in early 2026. The 2026 Honda CR-V is not just an evolution, it's a revolution. With its illuminated branding, razor-thin LED lighting, minimalist yet premium interior, and efficient hybrid or EV powertrains, it redefines what a mainstream SUV can be. It's futuristic, practical, and aspirational all at once. The big question now is, would you choose this Honda CR-V over rivals like the Toyota RAV4, the Hyundai Tucson, or even luxury competitors like the Lexus NX? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. We've got more futuristic car reviews coming your way, from Toyota's next-gen lineups to BMW's bold designs and beyond. The future of SUVs is here, and Honda is leading the way.